In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add photo gallery to Webflow website builder. We're going to use a simple no-code approach with Common Ninja to build a polished gallery and then embed it into your Webflow site. By the end, you'll have a fast, responsive gallery that matches your brand and works beautifully on desktop and mobile. First, head to the Common Ninja dashboard. This is where you'll manage and create widgets. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the option to create something new and select Create Widget. That opens a library of tools you can add to your website. In the search bar, type Image Gallery. This narrows the list to the widget we need. You might see a few variations, but the one simply called Image Gallery is perfect for a clean, flexible photo grid with a lightbox. Select Create Image Gallery to launch the editor. Common Ninja will load a starter gallery so you can see the structure right away. Everything you see here is customizable. So think of it as your canvas. Now customize your gallery and save your changes. Start by replacing the sample images with your own. You can upload files, reorder them, and edit titles or descriptions if you want captions to show. It's a good idea to add alt text for accessibility and SEO. Next, style the layout. Choose the grid type, adjust spacing and the number of columns, and decide how the hover effects and lightbox should behave. You can fine-tune colors, borders, and typography so the gallery blends with your site's design system. For performance, use optimized images in consistent aspect ratios and consider compressing them for faster load times. Before you save, preview the gallery on mobile and tablet views to confirm the spacing, captions, and buttons. Look right. When you're happy, click Save or Publish in the editor. With your design set, click Copy Code. This gives you an embed snippet that places the gallery on your site. In Webflow Designer, open the page and section where you want the gallery, then drag an embed element into position. Paste the code into the embed, apply the change, and publish your site. Note that third-party widgets sometimes won't fully render inside the designer preview, so check the live published page. If the gallery appears cramped, place the embed in a full-width container or adjust padding and overflow settings to give it room to breathe. Test the lightbox, hover states, and mobile layout on the live site to confirm everything works smoothly. That's it. You've built and embedded a custom photo gallery in Webflow. Tweak the settings anytime in Common Ninja, resave, and your updates will reflect on your site automatically.